Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. Today we are shooting 100 yards with SK Long Range Match. We saw last time at 100 with the 10X, we were sub half-inch group. Pretty crazy. Have trouble doing that sometimes with center fires, so seeing a 22 do that blew my mind. There was a good amount of wind. Basically just kind of hope for the best here at 100 yards with the SK Long Range Match and see what we can do. Got a splatter target down there so I can see the impacts a lot easier. Not that that matters because I'm going to be aiming at the same spot, but let's do it. No chronograph today. I figure don't need the numbers, just want to see how it performs. And like I said earlier, we got some decent wind here, so it's going to probably, if we see horizontal shift, we'll kind of assume it's a little bit more wind than me. Vertical would be the ammo or me. So let's get to it. Clean bore right now, so I'm going to take a few shots at the center just to foul it in, and I guess I'll use 1.5 mils up for my dope to start, and we'll adjust from there to see where we're at. Okay, here we go. Just going to shoot the sighters here first. Dead center target. I ran back from there, so my heart's pounding. I can see the reticle bouncing all over the place. Let's relax. Oh my god. Okay, so basically I'm thinking this barrel is just kicking ass, like hardcore kicking ass. Like everything I shoot through this now lately is like one whole group, and that's 100 yards. So we had one flyer off the side there. I guess there's two, but three pretty much in the same hole at 100 yards. Like unbelievable. Okay, 5 more shots. I'll shoot off an inch above the red dot, dead center. So it's shooting about an inch high and 3/4 of an inch to the right. That one basically hit my aiming point. Like I said, those are 1-inch squares. Everything's inside, so that might have been 1-inch group because I see both lines are broken there, but still, like, what's going on here? It's amazing. So let's get another 5-shot group on paper down there. I'm gonna go left a tenth just to keep it more towards where I'm aiming. I'm gonna shoot dead center on the top left target closest to the camera. That was high and left. Just glance the top square. Either same hole or I just don't know. Once again, this rifle shoots amazing. And this is a lot cheaper than the 10X, so this is more of a viable option for me and my budget for shooting. Let's get to a fresh target on the right side, dead center. Top right, dead center. And the wind is picking up quite a bit now. We're shooting at about a minute right now. Now I will go bottom right target, dead center hold anyways. That group's still about an inch. Again, a lot of them in the same hole, and then you get the odd one off to the side, but still pretty good. We're gonna go to low right. Okay, that was a pretty good group, probably 1/2 to 3/4 inch. Now, I'm going to shoot the dead center, but the next line, that's my aiming point. Same hole. Another beautiful group. I think we're under an inch there too, from what I could see. And from what else I could see is SK Long Range Match jives with this barrel in my CZ 457. Another thing I figured I'd add is no extraction issues. And this is SK. So maybe it was just a bad bunch of ammo I had before or something with the barrel, but everything is good now. And thanks for joining me again on another range video. We'll see you next time, guys. Take care.